your stock pick, Cobus?
My stock pick today, a little bit more boring than everything we've discussed up to this point, is Standard Bank.
Okay.
So essentially, on a relative basis, Standard Bank has underperformed the other banks massively. We saw all of the updates coming through towards the beginning of this month, and since that time, Standard Bank has underperformed the likes of Absa, First Rand, and Nedbank significantly, and that's despite having from a South African perspective, at least, a generally good operational performance. The real issue seems to be them suffering devaluation in some of their African markets. If we look at a basket of currencies that they have exposure to through those African operations, that is devalued by around 10% to the rand up to that point in the year. Of course, that's going to put a massive overhead. That's essentially like a 10% hit you're taking to your earnings from those markets in rand. That trend is reversed somewhat now, and frankly, in the long run, given that those are growth markets, markets that are somewhat more exciting despite being more risky than South Africa itself, it's part of the reason why you're holding Standard Bank. Along with that expected trend reversal in those currency devaluations, markets expected to do better in a lower rates environment. We think now is an opportune time to get into Standard Bank and get that high quality South Africa exposure.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your time and for your insights on what has moved investors' money today, Cobus. That was Cobus Potgieter from Southern Cross Capital.